All right, channeling my inner Mr. Rogers. This is video number 2. I'm Sherman. Welcome to Sherman's Workshop, even though we're obviously not in Sherman's Workshop. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce myself and what my goals are. And my goals are simple. I want to help young adults, Gen Zs, people in their teens and their 20s, to have a great life. And all I want in return is your success. I want to meet you in the future and have you say thank you for the information that I've shared. I want to know that you've done well for yourself because you are the future, and I want to make sure you have a good one. My goal is to share with you a lifetime of experience. See, I was not a great high school student, average student, graduated with a C, but I had a lust for learning. I wanted to learn more and more about the world, especially how to become a capable, strong, loving, caring human being. And I want to share that knowledge with you. I'm not an expert in anything. Don't get me wrong. I don't have a PhD. Heck, I don't even have a degree. But I know that the people that I've met in my life, many of them have said, hey, thanks for sharing what you've learned with me. And I want to do that for you, to a broader audience. Maybe even you specifically, that a person that's watching this right now. I know there's a billion videos out there, but I promise you that I want nothing in return other than your success. I'm not going to try to sell you a book or a program. I don't think so, at least not yet. I just want to share this information. And most importantly, I'm doing this for my grandson. I'm doing this for the kids that have come into my life. I want to be a guide for them. I don't know where I'm going to be tomorrow. I'm coming up on 56 years old. Maybe 57 is my last year. I hope not. But at least I can leave behind information, knowledge that I can share with you that I promise is not trying to take advantage of you. My goal is to make good human beings and not necessarily involve a fancy system or even religion. If that's your thing, good for you. All right? My goal is to share with you what I've learned over a lifetime. See, I've spent my life with an earbud in my ear, learning, listening to audiobooks, learning books about the world, about how to be a good, capable father, human, teacher, right? And I have a grandson now, and he's 6 years old, and I hope 5-6 years from now, he'll start watching these videos, and I can guide him through life, or maybe even his grandkids someday. I'm doing this because it's my calling, it's my passion, right? I'm not, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm not going to go deep into any subject, but I'm your guide. I'm the wise man on the hill, at least I hope I'm wise, to share with you what I've learned. If you know who Mr. Rogers is, and if you know who MacGyver is, imagine if Mr. Rogers and MacGyver had a baby. Me. See, I'm going to teach you how to use these, because we all have these. I want to teach you how to make things. I want to teach you how to get through life with as little trouble as possible. Because the world you're looking at looks complex, looks difficult, looks scary. And you know what? It is a little bit. But hopefully with my guidance, I can help you get through it. Learn things, learn how to take care of yourself, learn how to take care of your future, learn how to take care of your family, your loved ones. Most importantly, your body and your mind, because those are your 2 most valuable possessions. And I promise everything I share with you is from learning from hundreds and hundreds of others and putting it all together for you and simplifying it. And look, if there's anything I talk about and you find very interesting and you want to go deeper, I might not be your source of depth, but I promise you, I'll help you find who the person is I trust to take you deeper, no matter what the subject is, whether it's health, nutrition, finances, whatever it may be, right? I want to make sure that you become the best human being you can be. And I know right now, as a teenager, a 20-something, like, I've got it all figured out. I know what I'm doing. Okay, then consider this just a little bit of helpful advice. Take it or leave it. It's no cost to you, right? But I hope you enjoy it. I've got a lot to talk about. I've got a lot to share with you. And if you've listened this far, you may be interested. So please, tell your friends. Share this information. I want to be the guy on Instagram who doesn't make you nervous and worried about life and make you have to fit in. I'm going to show you how you are good just the way you are. And if you don't think you're good enough, let's work on making you better, whatever it may be. All right? I'm here to help. So come along for the ride. This is just the beginning. I'd love to hear from you what you want to learn about. All right? I'm a teacher. I'm a maker. I'm potentially an author. I'm an entrepreneur. I've spoken to large audiences, but now I want to speak to just you and help you make the best out of your life that you can. Till next time, This is Sherman, not in Sherman's workshop today, but I will be maybe in the next video.